want you to teach me how to make?
That's what he wants to do.
I think you made like some pepper shrimp one time.
Oh yes, that shit was so
I
good.
need to eat that.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Edie Marie and I do all type of cooking videos, recipes, family vlogs, lifestyle, home decor hacks, like all of it. Okay, I'm a millennial that does it all. So if you are interested in stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and leave a comment, and put that notification bell on. Now that we have gotten that out the way, besties. Today is Saturday, January 6th. And we are now in 2024, right? So today I was supposed to go to an event. The event is called the Entrepreneurs Ball. It's something that my friend, she puts on. This is her second annual one. I didn't make the first one, so I said, okay, this year I'm going, right? Maryland decides it wants to like put on the news this heavy snowstorm in certain areas, okay? I live closer to Baltimore. Where I'm at, it ain't snowing. It's not even like a light flurry, but maybe certain parts like Frederick, maybe closer to the mountains, maybe it's snowing heavy there. I say that to say my friend had to postpone this event, but I could not postpone my makeup appointment. I couldn't cancel, I couldn't reschedule because it was already close to the date. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to go get my makeup done by my friend. I'm gonna leave her handle right here. Her name is Slay by Steph. That's her Instagram name, and that's the only person that I let do my makeup if I'm doing like some type of heavy makeup. Sometimes I do it myself, but mostly I go to her. And then I have to cook, so I'll probably just include that video in here. I don't know what I'm gonna cook for dinner yet. I really don't know. I don't have a clue what I want to do, but it's gonna be probably something quick. I'm just gonna show you guys that because my plan was to vlog the Entrepreneurs Ball, so now you have to wait till that is rescheduled for President's Day weekend. And there's gonna be some heavy hitters in that room, y'all. Like so many gems, so much knowledge to soak up. I was so excited. But if you haven't got your ticket yet, I'm going to leave her stuff in the description box. So if you want to go, please come. Like if you are an entrepreneur and you want to know like valuable information that could increase, and I'm not talking about like the ebook type of stuff, like the stuff that generalizes and just people put out just to make money. No, like this is going to be a crazy event, and then there's a party after. So open bar, food, vibes, a band, it's gonna be like that. So I'm gonna leave her information in the description box. This is not sponsored. That's just my friend, So I'm gonna support, and I hope you guys support as well. Now that rambling is out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and get myself together, wash my face, take a shower, and pretty much get ready to go to my makeup appointment. Lord, okay. I'm gonna use this claw clip here. Clip it up like that. Like that. It kind of have like a little like this. I asked some of y'all on Instagram to give me some suggestions of what I need to cook for dinner tonight after I'm done. But the boys really want meatballs and white rice. They love barbecue meatballs. So I'm thinking I may do that. And I need to do something quick because I think I want to go out and get nachos and beer tonight. This is my favorite nacho place. It's not even a nacho place. It's a restaurant called the Yard House. And when I just tell you, they have the most beers on tap in the world. Okay? That's what they're known for. Like over 100 beers on tap. Specialty beers, IPAs, your favorite regular domestic beers. Like they have so many beers. And I'm just like, oh, so good. So I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna do that, and their nachos are just chef's kiss. I don't know what it is with me and nachos, but like we go together real bad. On my way to my appointment, Babe's gonna drop me off because he has stuff to do. How long do you think it's gonna take? Like an hour? It should only take like an hour. Here, I have arrived at Wink. I'm gonna show you kind of like the vibe. And I'm excited to get my makeup done. So yeah, it's raining crazy right now, but let's go. This is cute.
Want you to teach me how to bake? I think you made like some pepper shrimp one time.
Oh yes, that shit was so
I
good.
need to eat that.
Next time, just text me like, bring some food, bitch.
Yeah.
And
Bring some food, bitch.
yeah.
Got it.
Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into.
Alright, y'all, my makeup is done. I did get a soft beat. And I know that she always does my face really good. Like I said, I'll probably cook something and then I'll go to a nice little bar or whatever to get some nachos and chill. It's raining really hard now, so I'm just kind of trying to wait for the rain to subside. And I'm waiting for Vaughn as well, so yeah, but I love the makeup look. It's cute.
Job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow. And if you go and shadow. And if you go and shadow. And if you go and shadow.
We just finished eating. We're kind of just chilling right now. It's almost 12 a.m. I'm a little sleepy. It's been a long day. Oh God, I just wake up all 5 days. I did a couple Instagram lives today, TikTok lives, so even though I didn't go to the event, the makeup still got its use. I'm gonna go wash my face and get in the bed. I'm so tired. But yeah, say bye, babe. Bye. Y'all, we're in a whole new day. I didn't end up cooking yesterday because, well, all I made was white rice. And then the boys had their own little stew sausage situation going. If you were on my Instagram live, you saw the kids, you know, cooking up their own little thing. So that was good. So last night I just went to go get my nachos and pizza. I had one beer. It was so late. Like, I went out to eat at like 10:30. So I just didn't feel like kind of getting my beer at that point. So I just had one. On live, y'all had suggested to take a Corona and add a little grenadine to it. And that was good. So I did enjoy that. Today, though, it's Sunday, and my students, I have students at my job that know that I cook and have requested, already started requesting stuff. So the first thing they have requested is a sausage and shrimp Alfredo pasta. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm boiling my water right here in the back for the noodles. I'm using fettuccine today too. I already have seasoned up my sausage with a little bit of green seasoning and some spices. Then I have up my green bell peppers, my half-dried tomatoes, and some garlic underneath that. And then I'm just waiting on the shrimp to defrost so that I can peel it, devein it. Well, these already came deveined, actually. This vlog has taken a whole new life of its own because, like I told y'all, it was supposed to be vlogging the event. But here we are, still doing our big one. And yeah, all right, let's get to cooking. Guys, the pasta is done. Oh my God, it's so juicy. I'm going to pack up my students' plates, and then the rest will be for my own house. So yeah, do y'all hear that? Oh my gosh. Yes. Let me pack up their plates and then I'm pretty much done. All right, ladies and gents, that's the end of this vlog. I'm about to shower and go to bed so I can go to work tomorrow. Excuse me. But thank you for watching. And we're gonna vlog again next weekend. I think I have something to do next weekend, so that'll be pretty cool. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on all of my socials. I'll list those down in the description box for y'all. Good night.